What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to She Does Beauty. And if you're new, hello. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick marble nude white and like glittery design for New Year's. And I think this is a great accent nail. As you saw in the beginning, you can pair it with any design. It'll look super nice. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just taking Cover Peach as my base color, just so nothing is transparent. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white and a little bit of black. You just want to do your lines kind of like how you see any other marble. They have certain distinct lines that are kind of faded out, and then you're just going to do that with each color. Now after we added a little bit of black, I'm gonna go in with some gold foil and just accentuate and kind of bring it to life. I feel like you can use either gold or silver foil. I'm using gold, but silver would have looked really nice too. It's really easy to put the gold on. You just want to make sure that your brush is wet enough to pick it up, and then that way it's wet enough to kind of place it down on the nail. And then after we place the gold where we want it, we are going to encapsulate the entire thing. And if you're unhappy with any spots or they're just not bright enough, go ahead and take that white acrylic and just make anything you want a little brighter, or if you wanted more nude in there or a little bit more black, just play with it until you like it, you know? And once you're done encapsulating the entire nail, we're gonna go ahead and file, shape, and buff, and don't forget to dust the nail. Now after we are done filing that nail and shaping it to our liking, we're going to take our OPI gel top coat and just add that to make it all nice and shiny and reveal our design. I am honestly loving this nail. I love marble, and I don't know, I was getting a little bit tired of just your normal marble nails, but with this black as like hey there and as showy as it is, I'm loving it. It gives me total 90s vibes with that gold, and I love it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below on what design you want to see next for New Year's. Don't forget to like this so I know you want to see more. I love you, beauty crew. See you in the next video. Bye.